upgrades can I do to boost the value of my home? Do you have the same question, or you know of somebody who wants the tips? Please share this video with them and stay till the end to get a bonus tip from me. I've made a list of 7 upgrades which can increase the value of your home without making you poor. Best part is all these can be done in one weekend each. Weekend 1. Freshen your landscaping and front door. Before buyer enters a house, he or she is assessing your home worth. Manicured lawn with fresh flowers and shrub will make it look inviting and increase the value. Also check out your front door. Is it looking tired? Fresh coat of paint will do wonders. Weekend 2. Upgrade your hardware and lighting fixtures. It's easy to overlook dated cabinet posts and dingy light switches in your own home, but those seemingly minor details can leave a bad impression on buyers. Swapping out old hardware for modern alternatives can easily and affordably spruce up your place. Don't forget to look at your light fixtures also. Try replacing an out-of-style chandelier with a more contemporary option. Even just updating your lampshades and light bulbs can create a brighter, more welcoming space. Weekend 3. Update your bathroom fixtures. Bathroom shows the age quickly, but a few inexpensive updates can shave years off in few hours. Many buyers are drawn to a home which feels clean and modern. Even small changes can make a big difference. Study minor cosmetic upgrades like swapping out the bathroom mirrors, upgrading hardwares, or refinishing cabinets. You will see an increase in your home's value. Make sure your existing vanity is in good condition. Installing a new one can be a slight bigger project, but it has a huge impact on the look and feel of your bathroom. I'm Sonal Shah, and please like and subscribe to my channel and stay updated on real estate, which can bring you more value on your real estate portfolio. Weekend 4. Give your kitchen cabinets a makeover. The kitchen is often referred to as the heart of the home, so it's no surprise that an updated kitchen is a top priority for all the buyers. If your kitchen cabinets are from another era, that's probably the first place you want to start. Fortunately, you don't have to break a bank. You can just spruce up or put a fresh paint of coating on your front doors, change your hardware, and you're good to go. Install soft close hinges, and voila, your kitchen is now new as the new builder's home. Weekend 5. Fresh coat of paint. Adding a fresh coat of paint to your house can give it a much needed makeover, improving the appearance and value of your home. This one makeover has fetched $10,000 or more on average priced home. Weekend 6. Refinish your wooden floors. For many buyers, wood floors are a huge selling point. Unfortunately, they also tend to get scuffed and worn out in time, especially you have kids or pet. The good news, your wood floors could use a touch-up. It's well worth the time and cost. As per the National Association of Realtors, it's the project that pays off the most in terms of your investment. Weekend 7. Clean or replace your grout. Let's face it, whether it's on a kitchen floor or a bathroom wall, grout gets grimy over time, even with regular cleaning. Fortunately, refreshing your grout is a simple project. Google your friend and there will be plenty of videos to show you step-by-step process. Well, in less than 2 months, you made your home new. All the renovations are done and you can enjoy the upgrades. If you don't have time or the skill, you can contact me or any of the realtors in your area and they will refer you some handyman. Now is the time for the bonus tip. Statistic proves that the owner who spruce up their homes every 4 to 5 years do sprucing up, and upgrades when needed will get full listing price or more over the listing price. You will sell your home for more and in less time, guaranteed.